Oh, the ball fell off. Ball.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. In today's video, we're gonna get a little personal. And for me, it's a little embarrassing. We are talking about something that I have been waking up to every morning for the past, 3-4 weeks. And that would be 3-4 weeks too long. I'm talking about my closet. I'm really talking about my clothes, which aren't all in my closet. I'm going to show you in a sec. But I've always gotten such anxiety about cleaning out my closet. Maybe not even cleaning out. That suggests to me that you are actually going through each article in your closet. Yeah, we're not doing that today. We are cleaning. We are figuring out ways to quickly and easily clean the closet that holds your clothes. I didn't know whether to title this just your closet, but it could be any closet in your house. It could be your broom closet, your coat closet, the closet you hide in, your secret closet with all of the crap that you don't know what to do with. I have about 4 of those. What I'm trying to say is the closet that is most likely in your bedroom, holding all of your clothing and shoes. Even saying that stresses me out, and let me show you why. I have a lot of things to take with me. Oh, the ball fell off. Ball. All right. And attached to her is this, which we're going to need because we're going to actually look up closet cleaning hacks, how to clean your closet, and we're going to follow it. Going to. All right, come with me. So across the hall from the filming room is my bedroom. And here's what I mean by not all of my clothes are in my closet. This pile has been sitting here for, I want to say, 2 weeks. And what is this? There's a laundry basket with 1.5 pairs of shoes and a sock. And then we get into my actual closet. It is mortifying in there. Yes, stuff is hung up, but look. What is that? That's not normal. There are hangers on the floor. There are drawers open. You know, shoes tried on. So we are going to fix this somehow. So let's do it. All right. So let's put this right there. And we are going to see if we can find some closet cleaning hacks. How about just how to clean your closet? I like this one. How to painlessly clean out your closet. Yeah, because this causes me pain. And let's make it hurt less. Listen to my chair. It's like Ross's leather pants. Number 1, schedule a time for your closet clean out. Oh my gosh, it's 11:11 on Tuesday a.m. I choose this time, 11:11 Tuesday. Check. Empty your closet into one giant pile. Well, you know what? That's usually what I do. Make that empty and put back only the things that I want, hung up or folded. So let's do that. So I guess it's kind of nice that we already had a pile started here, so I didn't have to think about where do I put this pile? It was already right there. Phew. So I found a couple of these strings that used to be in my pajama pants. I take labels out and strings, especially strings that sound like that. Too crunchy to be in my pants when I'm trying to sleep. That's what she says. So I'll tell you right now, I'm going to need to take a little break. I need some iced tea or water. It's hot. I just did a lot of activity. That was my exercise for the week. So before I get to this pile of crap, look, I'm going to pet. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. He love it. And then he says, I'm going to gut you. I'm going to gut you. Kill it. Kill the washcloth. Kill it. Yeah. That went for a long time. Good job. Oh, there's more. Okay. All cooled off. No, it wasn't a hot flash. All right. So this article on how to painlessly clean out your closet, it is advice on how to fully clean out your closet, pulling everything out, which I have done somewhat recently. So we're not going to do that, but we're going to pretend. Schedule time for your clean out. Okay. Well, it was 11:11 when we started. I took a break. It's 12:08 now, p.m. So, but still check. Number one. Number two, empty your closet into one giant pile. Now, that would be me pulling everything out on hangers, folded up, in the drawers, and all the shoes on the floor. So, pretend we did that. Check. Give your closet a good scrubbing. I'm very happy to not have to do this, but when I did clean my closet completely out, I pulled the drawer units out, cleaned the baseboards behind it. There's a mirror in there, clean that with Windex. And the top of your hangers can get some dust on them, and any shelves, just wipe those down. Easy peasy. Number 4, sort clothes into keep, give away, and toss. So what you're going to keep, what you're going to give away, and I'm assuming they mean give to friends or Goodwill, and then toss. And I do have a toss pile every single time I clean out my closet because, and this is an embarrassing thing, I have clothes that aren't even good enough to put in the Goodwill pile. Like, they just need to be thrown away because no one's going to buy that, even for 25 cents at the thrift store. This is because I do concrete stuff and I forget to wear an apron sometimes and it gets dirty and I don't care, and that's what happens. The end. Anyway, there is an eco-friendly way to get rid of your throwaway clothes so they don't end up in the landfill. I will find those links and put them in the description box below. So piles, let's do that. Let's do it. All of my shoes. Let's put it in here since there's already a pair and a half in there. Oh, Goodwill. I do have a Goodwill box out there already started. Well, it's been there a while. This goes piles. There's a DVD in here, a hotel slipper from the St. Julian where I stayed in Boulder. Not cute. Shoe. Pajama string. Pajama string. What's this doing in here and this? Okay, so this will be the Goodwill, keep, and toss. I haven't found a toss yet. Fanny pack goes with the shoes. And the belts, which I don't have a lot of, and purses. Now, I've had these 2 pair of pants for about 15 years. Yeah, that's about right. And I don't get rid of them. They're very low-waisted, and they were too big for me, but now they're too small. And low-waisted has gone out and then come back in, I think recently. I don't know. Anyway, I keep them just in case they may fit again or come into style. I'm not going to show them to you because that's not what we're doing today. Let's see what the next step is. Let's move ahead. Refine the keep pile. We are going to refine the keep pile by hanging them up because once they're on that hanger, we're keeping them. I forgot a pile. Laundry. Yeah. I don't know what's in my closet. If it doesn't look like I can just wear it right off the floor. I mean hanger. It gets washed. We're gonna take, not a break, but I am going to turn the camera off and see what I can do with this stuff. All right, we're back in here. I have finished cleaning my closet. Didn't quite clean it out, but I mainly wanted to get my stuff up off the floor and put away, either hung up, folded, whatever. Just clean, decluttered. Uncluttered? Yeah, because I didn't quite, I didn't separate much. We are, however, going to go through all the steps just to make sure that we've got it right, because this video is, after all, how to clean out your closet. Again, number one, select a time for your clean out. If you're really going to clean it out, it's going to take quite some time. I would think a few hours. So you need to set that time aside. Number two, empty your closet into one giant pile. I highly agree with this, whether you're tidying up or cleaning out. Take everything out. Everything, and get ready to sort through it. Number three, well, give your closet a good scrubbing. Yeah, get out the Clorox wipes or sponge and soapy water and wipe down everything. Number four, sort out clothes into keep, give away, and toss. It could be more piles than that, because toss can mean a few things. And if you remember Marie Kondo, you have to think about whether or not they've given you joy. So, yeah, that's going to be a process. Finally, number five, refine the keep pile. So that's basically it. I don't know if there's anything there that we missed or would have been a better number 1 through 5. What do you guys think? How do you go through your clothing and clean out your closet and decide what to keep and what not to keep? And if there is something we missed, put it down in the comments below. I'd like to know about it. Otherwise, that's it, you guys. That is it for this video on how to clean your closet, or how I clean my closet, and then how this lady cleans out her closet. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something. I'm going to relearn my exit spiel from my old videos, because outros are hard. Okay, see you guys soon on the next video. Bye.